The cost of Bitcoin has recently hit its all-time high of $19,857, and this is news that is extremely important, not just for Bitcoin holders, but also for altcoin investors, because the sentiments from the altcoin market tend to be closely correlated to Bitcoin's cost movements, and an imminent Bitcoin bull run likely means that many altcoins can also be subjected to these massive surges in valuation. The altcoin marketplace was really mixed up in 2020, fueled largely by the DeFi or decentralized finance phenomenon, which captivated the interest of blockchain lovers and cryptocurrency investors. Decentralized finance has revolutionized the altcoin ecosystem, with many DeFi projects having tremendous success in 2020. In this video, we're going to go over some of the top 5 altcoins with the most potential to immensely rise in valuation within the year 2021, including a few of these DeFi projects. But first, please make sure to hit subscribe and like the video if you like this content and want more like it. It greatly helps the channel. Coming in at number 5 is Cosmos. Cosmos looks to solve scalability, usability, and sovereignty limitations of the current blockchain infrastructure. The world's biggest blockchains, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are a prime example of the scalability problem, with the former being able to process merely 7 transactions per second, and the latter struggling with anything greater than 25. So why is it a good investment? Cosmos' market value is derived from its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and its team's good connectivity with leading exchanges. This lends them a good market position to be added on top exchanges that offer a staking service, which is a rising trend among cryptocurrency platforms that seek more venues for profit generation. Cosmos is already added on the CEX.io staking service, and you can earn up to 9% of annual returns on your coins simply by keeping them in the CEX.io wallet. This is a very attractive opportunity for wealthy token holders to park their money into Cosmos and reap a solid 9% annual returns without lifting a finger. This appeal is further magnified by the current grim situation in the traditional interest rate markets, where banks pay a negative rate to their customers. So essentially, you're paying them to hold your money. Coming in at number 4 is Fusion. The decentralized finance revolution would not be possible if not for DEXs, or decentralized exchanges. Most DeFi tokens are not available for trading on the popular centralized exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance, so the only way to buy and sell them is by using decentralized trading protocols, which allow the users to swap tokens without the need of centralized intermediaries. So far, the most popular decentralized exchange among DeFi investors has been Uniswap, but although still widely used, Uniswap has proven to be quite problematic and raised many security concerns. Flash loan attacks caused Uniswap users to lose hundreds of thousands of dollars, and many people started to look for an alternative that would provide a similar functionality while greatly improving the security of users' funds. The most promising alternative to Uniswap is AnySwap, a fully decentralized cross-chain swap protocol powered by the Fusion token. Fusion is an all-inclusive blockchain-based financial platform which specializes in providing cross-chain, cross-organization, and cross-data source solutions through the application of advanced smart contracts. One of the most groundbreaking features of Fusion is DCRM, or Distributed Control Right Management, a set of protocols which form a security layer designed to protect digital assets on the Fusion blockchain. Because of the distributed storage and sharing of private keys provided by Fusion's DCRM technology, no single node can take control of the assets, which massively enhances the security of users' funds. For the past few months, DeFi has been gaining popularity at a tremendous pace, but it also increased the frequency of cyber attacks and other incidents which caused hackers to steal millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. It's safe to assume that as the DeFi-related safety breaches grow even more common, more and more users will turn to security-oriented solutions such as Fusion, causing the Fusion price to skyrocket in the foreseeable future. Coming in at number 3 is TEZOS. TEZOS has been an outlier of the bearish market, outperforming Bitcoin and all other coins by more than 100%. TEZOS is building a secure infrastructure for dApps, and because of that, a large part of its success will come from developers building on the network and the ecosystem flourishing. There are signs of this already, but not quite enough for investors to get too excited. Ethereum is the runaway leader when it comes to this, with many big-name incumbents working on Ethereum-based solutions. TEZOS is in a more speculative category. You're betting on whether this could become a network that developers flock to, and one with rich features that support dApps. There is potential here and the pitch is good on paper, but you really want more evidence before you commit your cash. If you're willing to diversify your portfolio with such assets and are willing to do due diligence with respect to monitoring development and growth, then perhaps TEZOS could be a suitable investment. Coming in at number 2 is AAVE. AAVE is another DeFi service focused on loaning tokens to other users to generate interest, and one of Compound's biggest competitors. AAVE has responded extremely well to the optimistic indicators suggesting a massive bull run of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The price of AAVE has almost tripled over the past few months, and if this bull market continues, it can definitely see even bigger growth in 2021. When it comes to technical details, AAVE is quite similar to Compound, although there are of course some differences. Generally speaking, AAVE is more complex than Compound, which means that it offers more features, but also that it's less welcoming to inexperienced users and crypto newcomers, which value simplicity above all else. There is, however, one clear advantage of AAVE over Compound. The AAVE platform allows people to lend 16 digital assets, while Compound only supports 9 tokens. It explains the popularity of AAVE among people who like to diversify their portfolio and grasp as many different crypto earning opportunities as possible. It's almost certain that altcoins with powered DeFi crypto lending solutions such as AAVE and Compound will see a massive surge in price in 2021, but it is hard to predict which one of the competitive services will see the largest growth. At the time, it seems that the safest precaution would be investing in both AAVE and Compound, as both of these altcoins seem to have tremendous potential. And coming in at number 1 is YEARN.finance. YEARN.finance has been one of the most successful decentralized finance projects so far. And for many people, YEARN.finance is one of the first altcoins that comes to mind when they hear the word DeFi. YEARN.finance popularized the concept of yield farming in the crypto community. And even though many copycats try to emulate the success of YEARN.finance, so far none have succeeded. One of the reasons for the massive popularity of YEARN.finance among DeFi investors is the fact that it employs a wide variety of advanced tools which can act as an aggregator for other decentralized finance solutions, such as Compound, AAVE, and many others. YEARN.finance can enhance the usability and effectiveness of these platforms, making it much simpler for the user to earn the maximum possible interest. Although some people would doubt if an already highly successful project such as YEARN.finance still has room to grow in 2021, unique features of it make it one of the most likely altcoins to grant investors great returns in the upcoming year. Because YEARN.finance aggregates the yield provided by other solutions, it's likely to benefit the most from the general growth in the DeFi market valuation. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification if you want more videos like this.